Do I want to feel like an influencer today? Yes.
Yes.
I haven't been to Shibuya Crossing for such a long time.
I think the last time I was here was with you.
I think so too, yeah. As a content creator slash videographer who often travels not only for work but also for fun as well, it's very important for us to capture something that is absolutely beautiful in 4K 422 10-bit. And especially, I love shoulder bags. Shoulder bags are less useful than a backpack, but also a bit more fashionable. And nothing is wrong with this, but as a person who don't want to really look like a content creator slash videographer out and about, I really love just like casually rocking some shoulder bags when I'm gonna go. So in this video, I wanna go through my travel mini content creator slash videographer set in this little thing that I often take wherever I go. Before we get into this video, hi, my name is Peace Gates. I usually make videos about a little bit of tech, a little bit of lifestyle, and a little bit of camera stuff. I make videos about whatever that I'm interested in. Today is all about trying to capture the most beautiful moment wherever you go, whenever you go. So first thing first, let's talk about sling bag or shoulder bag. For my mini bag situation for cameras, I used to rock Peak Design and Wonder's sling bag. I think they're both 6 or 7 liters and they're both absolutely amazing. You have cushion inside and your camera gear is protected, zip is waterproof, etc, etc. Those are super perfect whenever you just need like a camera sling that you can take everywhere to capture beautiful moments. And for me, I kind of found these 2 negative points that I wanted to custom make my camera slings or shoulder bags. Number 1 is the size that comes with the price. If you're buying a camera sling, there's only certain sizes that comes with the camera sling. And if you're buying like smaller size such as 6 liters, 7 liters, or those like single digit liter camera bags, for me, it was very hard to fit everything that I need to travel. Even if I was able to fit a camera and a lens, there weren't much space to fit my laptop or iPad, or when I want to carry a little bit more stuff like my wallet and etc. It was kind of hard. And taking my laptop is completely unnecessary whenever I'm traveling, but I often go to like cafe and stuff to get my work done just a little bit whenever I'm on the go as well. For me, it's always nice to have like a capability to switch out my bags to put my laptop in sometimes. And the second negative point or like a con is the look, especially whenever you travel to somewhere that the people who lives there are not familiar with our jobs, or they haven't really seen a camera sling in their life. They get very curious, and that could be a good thing or a bad thing. I don't want to put a lot of pressure to people who wants to just live their life, be private, not be on cameras and stuff. I want to respect as much as possible. But like if you go to like a little bit of sketchier place, let's say like in New York City, if you have a sling that people can tell that obviously you have some expensive gears in it, it gets kind of sketch. So to solve these problems, I also made a short form video for this. What I basically do is to use my favorite type of shoulder bags, and I usually have this camera cube that has a lid that opens vertically, and I have this inside of my shoulder bag to create this Frankenstein camera bag situation. And this has been amazing for me. I mean, yeah, your bags will look pretty full, but it looks less attention grabbing than a camera bag. And also you can choose your favorite type of bags. So literally I can match the bag with my fit of the day, which is sensational. So if I want to go a little bit sleek, a little bit formal, I can go with this large Montbell shoulder bag, and my shoulder gonna hurt like crazy, but I can also use like fashionable tote bag like this Marimekko blue bottle collab. Like this bag is insanely cool. I can literally fit the camera cube in this and use as a camera bag, but I mean, you know, this is kind of too flimsy. Okay, let's talk about what's actually in my bag. So for a camera, I also made a video about this. This is literally my favorite camera ever, and that is the Sony a7C II. It is a hybrid full frame camera. Hybrid meaning you can shoot videos and photos as well. Even though I have a cage on it, which makes it a little bit big, but the camera itself is super small. The image that you can shoot with this full frame sensor is absolutely magnificent. There's a ton of cheaper alternatives from Sony, such as Alpha 6700s or ZV-E10-1. I forgot which one it is, but all the ZV series are really good with videos as well. But personally, the ergonomics is closer to more professional camera. It's a true hybrid shooter. And not only that, it has APS-C mode, so you can crop in your 4K footage and still maintain beautiful 4K footage. So I absolutely love it. With this camera, I usually have one lens already attached to it in the back. My default lens will be the 16mm f1.8 from Sony. This is the normal G series, not the GM. This is a recent pickup, so I don't have a ton of example footage, but this lens has been a game changer. When you film in full frame, it's 16mm with crazy aperture of f1.8, so your background will be blurry while having this crazy wide angle, and I think it looks very professional and super unique. And with that, since I'm using A7C II, I can just crop in and use as 24mm, and it's gonna be APS-C's f1.8, which is less blurry in the background compared to the full frame f1.8. But still, the fact that one lens can do 24 and 16mm, it's insane. And with this lens, I have Nisi True Color Vario ND filter. The reason why I use this ND filter is pretty simple. Whenever you're filming outdoor and it's super bright, this ND filter allows additional stops just like this. So literally you can just attach an additional 4 stops of ND filters on top of it without using magnet, just like straight pressure. And I kind of found that I have magnetic ND filters as well, but this system, Nisi calls it the Swift system, is actually more secure and it feels secure as well. So I would just have this one ND filter with this set permanently attached on the lens, and if I want to switch out lenses, I'll just take it out, pop it on the other one, which is a great segment to my other lens, which is 24mm f1.4 G Master. I also talk about this lens all the time, but this is literally by far my favorite lens ever. For me, 24mm is such a versatile focal length that you can concentrate on the environmental shot. It is wide enough to get like a landscape shot, but not only that, you can also concentrate on the portrait like subject in the frame as well. And as I said, the 16mm, you can crop it to 24mm on A7C II, but I only gonna use that when I'm on the go or when I'm on a rush. So whenever I have time, I will switch it to this lens, which is also not that big, but because of the aperture of f1.4, I'll have insanely blurry background, and I really love what this lens can capture. In addition, since I am a content creator, sometimes I test out lenses as well. So whenever that happens, I have to leave the 24 and I will swap with some lenses that I'm testing or making a review about it. Recently, I went to Qatar for a couple days, which Qatar is my top 3 favorite countries now. It's actually, what a beautiful place. But while I was there, I was getting a ton of test footage of Sirui 35mm T1.4, so I can create a review video about it. And that's why the 16mm is so handy, and especially if you have this combo with this camera, you pretty much can capture a lot of stuff. And with this camera kit, I only take one microphone with me, and that is the Sony ECM M1. The best part about this microphone is not only the size is very small, so you don't really scare off other people who is around you, but it operates via Hashu, so you don't really have to use the audio jack, which can be kind of finicky sometimes. And my favorite part about this microphone is the auto setting. You can just plug and go, and you don't really have to worry about it. Of course, since I'm taking multiple lenses, I have a little blower with me. This one's super small. I think it's from Hakuba. I like the color too. It looks like a little Yukimi Daifuku. Super cool. So I'm not a big tripod guy whenever I'm traveling. I want to keep it as light as possible, and there's a lot of handheld movements in my videos, so I'm not a big fan of tripods. But sometimes I'll take this small tripod. This one is from PGY Tech, and the name of the product is the Mantis Pod, because you can hang onto like doors and stuff using this Mantis arm. I think this one is super chill, very small, very low-key. This one is the first edition, not the second edition. The second edition is like made out of plastic or something. This one is like metal, feels very high quality, and I absolutely love it. It's super light, and thank you Tatsuki for recommending this tripod. This has been a game changer. And last but certainly not the least, if I want to have like extra stuff in my bag to make myself vlog more often, because I always don't end up really vlogging, I'll take Osmo Pocket 3 from DJI. I feel like this camera has become the most hyped camera in 2025, and I get it. It's a small camera with gimbal already attached on it, and you can shoot 10-bit log with 4K footage. There's not many reasons not to get this camera. And it's also, for what it is, it's extremely cheap. And my favorite part about this camera is the customization capability. For right now, for a testing reason, I have this ultra wide lens converter from K&F Concept, and I have, well, this one's staple. I have this Ulanzi mini tripod situation going on, so I can literally not give myself an excuse to vlog, because I need to vlog. I know I need to vlog more often. And surprisingly, no one really talks about it, but the microphone on this camera is insane.
Guys, look at this color. I don't know if it's the lighting or what it is, but
I got a crazy iPhone photo of that.
yeah, bro.
I thought he was just like talking to me normally, but psych, he was just like talking about how much he loved his morning sip of coffee. And this man was vlogging.
Yeah, with the bros.
Bro, and he's like hiding from me too with the water bottle.
Hiding it from you.
Yo. And if the wind is strong, or if you want to isolate your voice, you can connect to DJI Mic 2 as well, which is amazing. The whole ecosystem is really well made. But anyway, guys, that was about it. That's my mini shoulder bag travel camera kit situation going on, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, and if you guys like my vibes, like my video style, please hit the subscribe button. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys next time. My name is Peace Gates. You guys already know. Peace out, guys. Welcome back to some BS, some bonus section. I really don't have anything that I want to talk about. So if you make it to the end, please comment hashtag some BS and leave me a question. Like any question, I will try my best to answer it in my next video. Anyway, guys, I hope you guys will have a wonderful day. I mean it. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Whatever you guys are doing, keep crushing it. You guys are totally amazing. And thank you so much for watching till the end of my video. Anyway, guys, I'll see you guys next time. My name is Peace Gates. You guys already know. Peace out, guys. Thank you so much for always watching.